Hi guys, welcome back to my channel video. I be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix after conducting an extensive research and testing both platform. I ultimately choose Shopify for my e-commerce business. In this video, I share the reason behind my discussion and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experience. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I will include a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in their organized. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce, whereas Wix started as a content-based website builder and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is an excellent option for beginner or those looking to scale thanks to a extensive range of over 6,000 app integration that work seamlessly with more than 100 them and template design. Your store is straightforward with Shopify intuitive drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans include 24/7 customer support, making the step process as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer plan access across four categories: website, business, e-commerce, and enterprise. If you're running an online store, you need to choose from the business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow you up to 50,000 product, more than sufficient for most business, but lack unlimited product option. Wix provided over 800 template, a drag and drop control editor, and a custom domain name for free free for 1 year. However, editing Wix template and make website less optimized for smartphone, meaning you I need a separate mobile site. Shopify, in contrast, automatically optimize its template for mobile device and create a redirect link for move page, making it a more SEO friendly. Shopify also supports your SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offers SEO tools like SEO Viz and SEO dashboard and its integration with Summarish for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify payment and Wix offer payment using this built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but third-party gateway Shopify can incur up to 500 fees depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment, but only in USD and lack multi-currency checkout option. Where Shopify support multi-currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. Tax collection is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically calculates tax or for user across all plan, while Wix offer automatic tax collection through a third party app called Alvera. This feature is limited to 10 plan with a cap on the number of collection per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of sale post system for all plan except the starter plan. Enable real-time inventory update through card reader connected to mobile device. Wix Pose feature introduced recently is only available to select user is that US, Canada, and pricing is another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but as a functionality is limited for e-commerce purposes. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day full trial and a discount introductory package for $3 for 90 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify main plan include the basic plan $890 a month, the standard plan $849 a month, and the advanced plan $299 a month. You can switch between plan yours as your business grow and receive a 2.5% discount for annual payment. That wrap for today video. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments, and remember If you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for an exclusive $1 month deal for 90 days. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.